Hello beautiful people and welcome to Lip Balm Kids TV. So today's video is brought to you by Megalook hair. They sent over this fire like highlighted 613. It has like some subtle different shades of blonde in it. It is super cute. I have not had a wig like this before. I've had one that had like rose gold, but I've never had one that had different shades of 613 in the wig. So I thought that was very different and cute. So your wig will come in this bag right here. You'll also get your traditional Megalook gift package right here, which comes with an edge brush, some very cute lashes, okay, and these lashes are absolutely adorable, and then also this cute little clip right here that you can like, it's basically like a bobby pin, but it's like, it looks like scissors. That's what the design is. But you can like just do like that, just something cute. I thought that was super cute. I don't typically wear stuff like that, but that is cute. But that's what you're gonna get with your wig. This came already curl jaw. So y'all know me, if you have been here for a while, you know I love me a beginner friendly, ready to go unit. Sometimes wigs can be intimidating because you have to pluck them, you have to bleach them, you have to curl them, you have to straighten them, you have to do all these things to them. And it kind of makes it like, it's intimidating if you're not used to doing wigs. So this one is for the girls in Megalook. I want to give y'all another shout out because this was already barrel curl jaw. Like you're gonna see in a few seconds. This was completely already curled. It's a 613, so obviously you do not have to bleach or tint the lace or anything of that nature. I put on a wig cap. I put on some makeup like powder eyeshadow, and then I just put it on. And then another plus from this unit is that it's glueless. Yep. We're a glueless girl. Y'all know I love me a glueless wig because I am tired of snatching out my edges. I don't want to do it anymore. So Megalook, thank you guys so much for considering the beginner friendly wigs and considering the girls that don't really want to get into the whole melting situation with the glue. We still want to protect our edges. We still want to slay. We want it to be affordable. We want it to be easy. And Megalook, they achieve all of those things in one. When I pulled this out the bag, I was thinking, oh my gosh, it's getting late. I'm gonna have to curl this wig, and I didn't have to. So Megalook, special shout out to y'all. But all I used was this Got To Be, and then the edge band, of course, I did it twice for like 5 to 10 minutes each time, and I did not blow dry, I did not do anything. This was already flat. I did not use a hot comb, none of that. Just put the wig on, cut the lace, and spray it. That is it. I did do this half up, half down style simply because I recently did a 613 wig video and I crimped it. So I'm trying to do something different than what I did before. This was already curled. So I thought, why not give like the cute cheerleader look, half up, half down with a little bang. And I think she's giving. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Other than that, make sure you check out the description box for all the information. You know, we're having the back to school sales, fall sales, everything like that. I'll have all the information to this unit and to the company themselves in the description box below. If you guys are interested, if you want an updated review on this wig, make sure you let me know. But if you'd like to see how I achieve this super cute, pre-plucked, ready to go, half up, half down style, then just keep watching.
Tell me, what did you run from? Tell me, why did you run from me now? Oh, I used to treat you right. Yeah. I used to be your life. Tell me, what did you run from? Tell me, why did you run from me now? Oh, seeing you part, same outcome. Don't know how I treated you wrong. Maybe that's it. I treated you poorly, made you great coffee, hid you from the cops. I used to make you calm, kissing and massaging. It's days like these that make me wanna go and try things, busting up the seats. Now I just wanna go and rob things. Made a lot of greed, now I just wanna go shopping. I used to treat you right. I used to be your life. Tell me, what did you run from? sun goes by.